ग्रेटर नोएडा के द श्रीराम यूनिवर्सल स्कूल में वार्षिक समारोह का आयोजन हुआ, जिसमें कक्षा 1 और 2 के बच्चों ने खुश कैसे रहें, सही खर्च कैसे करें और पर्यावरण को बचाना जैसे अहम विषयों पर शानदार प्रस्तुतियां दी। जबकि वरिष्ठ छात्रों ने रामायण महाकाव्य के विषय पर चर्चा की और शिक्षा के बारे में विस्तार से बताया। इस मौके पर स्कूल के छात्रों को यह संदेश दिया गया कि रामायण हमें मूल्य आधारित शिक्षा, समर्पण और योजना बनाने की सीख देती है। बच्चों को यह भी समझाया गया कि उन्हें सत्य के प्रति समर्पित रहकर अपने मूल्यों का विकास करना चाहिए, जिससे वो देश के अच्छे नागरिक बन सके और मातृभूमि के सपनों को पूरा कर सके। कार्यक्रम में द श्री राम यूनिवर्सल स्कूल के अध्यक्ष विजेंद्र सिंह ने कहा कि शिक्षा प्रणाली 3 हाथों पर चलती है, बच्चे, शिक्षक और माता पिता। वहीं द श्री राम यूनिवर्सल स्कूल के डायरेक्टर योगेंद्र सिंह ने यह कहा कि यह नया युग है जहां कौशल विकास भारत के भविष्य के लिए महत्वपूर्ण होगा और अध्ययन कौशल अब प्रौद्योगिकी की ओर बढ़ेगा। कार्यक्रम के दौरान छोटे बच्चों और बड़े छात्रों ने अपनी बोलने की कला में उत्कृष्टता दिखाई और सभी को उनके उत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शन के लिए सम्मानित भी किया गया। कार्यक्रम में डायरेक्टर जयकुमार सिंह, प्रधानाध्यापिका सीनियर विंग ज्योति राणा, जूनियर विंग की प्रधानाध्यापिका ज्योति राय मौजूद रहीं।
How potential they have, and our teachers have also shown their hard work and their dedication and their work. Our teachers also deserve a very big our didis and bhaiyas, everyone has done a hard work. I welcome every parent, grandparent to the Sri Ram Universal School today in the form only. Our respected guest, Nidhi Makheja ji, Operations Head from Sri Ram HCL, and our Director Sir, Dr. Jay Kumar Singh, our Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Jyoti Rana Ma'am, and our Vice Principal, Mrs. Jyoti Roy. I really thank everyone and the Director, Vandana Singh, for their hard work and their dedication towards the school organization to fulfill their upcomings to this level. And every parent, I just want to tell one thing, that our children are little, but they are very open to the technology they can see in their laptops, in their mobiles. So, giving and understanding them is our work. It's really our work, and I won't take much of time because you are very eager to, grab our children. Why? Because you have seen them dancing and their faces, they want to see you. So my words are only, you have to listen to your children at least 10 to 15 minutes daily and an hour weekly. It's your timetable to decide. Mothers are listening, but fathers are not listening. Maybe sometime we have to understand their words, what they want to say, because they have too much of information because of the technology, and that's the truth. The truth is that India is getting changed now. It is going to be skill development. So all the education systems are coming up and moving fast forward to the world. They can see now with new technologies, because skill is the real future of our children, and we are very back to back following all the steps which we can make to make our children skilled. So this was a little performance which can tell you the skill of our little children, that they are coming up well. And the second step is love them. Listening is over, love. We have to love them, grab them, because they feel lonely in this technology world. They have a competition to do. So, love them. Then is your third step is, I think, is laugh with them. Because laughing is the best key to settle everyone. Laugh can make changes, and their tensions, all those thoughts which they are facing, that will relieve. And then comes your legacy of your hard work which you have given to your children. You have to tell them that yes, we work for you day and night. So these are the little steps which I can feel I should tell you. and thank you to believing us that we are the Shri Ram Universal School. Thank you. Namaste.